In this section, we will learn about quadratic inequations. A quadratic inequation is nothing but a quadratic polynomial which has, instead of an equal to sign, a greater than or a less than sign. Some examples of a quadratic inequation would be, say, 5x squared plus 3x plus 2 less than 0. This less than sign makes it a quadratic inequation. Let's do one thing. Let us try and solve a simple quadratic inequation. Let's say I am given an inequation x squared minus 2x minus 3 less than 0. I can easily factorize this as x squared minus 3x plus x minus 3 is less than 0, which makes it x minus 3 x plus 1 less than 0. Therefore, the two roots for this polynomial are 3 and minus 1. If I were to plot this polynomial, it would look something like this. Since a is more than 0, it would be an upward parabola, and since the roots are minus 1 and 3, it would intersect the x-axis at minus 1 and 3. Now it is clear that before minus 1, the values of y are on the positive side of the y-axis, hence are positive, while between minus 1 and 3, the value of y is on the negative side of the y-axis, hence y would be negative, while after 3, again the values of y would be on the positive side of the y-axis and y would be positive. Since I am concerned with only those values where my polynomial is less than 0, that is, my polynomial is negative, hence my solution becomes x lying between minus 1 and 3. It is worth noting a pattern here. Whenever the curve crosses the x-axis, the values of y change sign. Like before minus 1, the values were positive. Once crossing the x-axis at minus 1, they became negative, that is, they changed signs. And after crossing the x-axis again at 3, they became positive. This alternate positive negative happens every time the curve would cross x-axis.